Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Jeep Renegade in neutral, only ways. Start by engaging the parking brake and placing the transmission in park. Turn the key to accessory or press the start button without starting the engine so the shifter can move. Locate the shift lock release near the shifter and press it while holding the brake, then move the lever into neutral gently and confirm the wheels can roll freely. First, find the small shift lock cover next to the shifter and pry it open with a flat plastic tool or key. Hold the brake firmly and press the exposed shift lock button while you gently move the gear lever into neutral. Keep the brake applied until you are ready to let the vehicle roll, and always use wheel chocks if on any incline. Practice the motion once to feel the correct pressure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping tool bits, fluids, or snacks tidy while you work on a Jeep, and they seal tight so nothing spills in your trunk. I use them for bolts and small parts during repairs. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when shifting into neutral, so always chock wheels and engage the parking brake before you release the vehicle to roll. Never tow with the steering locked, and use proper towing gear rated for your vehicle weight. If you are unsure about the procedure, consult the owner manual or a professional for guidance. Small precautions prevent damage and keep you safe while performing this small but important task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.